Good evening, everyone. So today we had a BBT-Bond Toastmasters meeting at the morning. So it is a early birds meeting, and we had many fun to make an impromptu speech about sharing what we are facing in this COVID-19 issue and the quarantine situation, and what we are doing to prepare for the after COVID-19 situation. And it's very fun. So feeling that, so we have decided to have a early birds meeting every Monday at the morning, because it's really important to keep our life in the daily routine. If we working in the remote situation in the quarantine situation, it's really hard to keep your life routine. So in many cases we tend to work until the midnight, and it's really hard to talk when we have children, but it's really hard to talk it's really important to talk at the morning, because there's so many ideas which comes into your mind, but you have to put that into your words, and that if you put that in your words, it's more possible that it will be in your real life. And that's why I feel it's very important to have the custom to make a speech on YouTube and share your ideas, what you have felt at the morning. And that's why I'm sometimes doing the impromptu speech at the morning on YouTube. And this is really, you can add at your quarantine situation. So that's what we are trying to do. So we have time at the morning, so let's enjoy our impromptu speech at the BBT-Bond Toastmasters early birds meeting. It's all, and as long as the quarantine situation continue, I think we will hold every Monday morning early birds meeting. So if you are interested, just join us and let's have fun. Bye bye.